Alright, guess what? What's happening? Alright, I'll tell you. Right now we're in Claire's studio and she's about to do a photo shoot with rotten fruit. Yes, real rotten fruit. It's the new fad. What you do is you leave your fruit in a bag for several days and let it ferment and mold. These are grapes that used to be grapes but are now fir.
These are oranges.
And what we have in this bag, it's a delicacy. That at one point was an orange. Now it has turned completely green. And, ew, juices. Here we have an eggplant with some minor bruising. And we're about to, she is about to have a photo shoot with it.
I'm pretty sure those are like eggs or something.
Oh wait, we need to zoom in on the grapes. Adds flavor. Perfection.
Ew, flavor.